This is Ms. Ria, lives in Whitney, Texas. Today I am going to share my experience with Texas Yellow Cab and Checker taxi service. Few months ago, I was in a hurry to attend a meeting and the public transportation was delayed. So, I planned to book a private cab ride. Scrolling down the internet, I found Texas Yellow Cab and Checker taxi service. They are top-rated, licensed yellow cab service provider near me in Whitney, Texas. They are famous for offering 24/7 door-to-door transportation with on-time pickup and drop facility. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride. They have a team of professional taxi drivers who always maintain all kinds of COVID-19 safety precautions to ensure passengers' safety and comfort. I was surprised to know that they follow the best shortcut routes to reach their destination on time. And the best part is that, their taxi fare is affordable in comparison. So, without wasting my time, I booked a ride and enjoy safe transportation around the city. If you want to book the same, dial 817-676-3702 or email a contact@bigtexascabs.com or browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/. Call /WhatsApp/Viber/Telegram at 817-676-3702.